everybody and welcome to this episode of Madame Wesley, and today we're going to be looking at money, and you're going to be coming to a shop and buying some items with me. We're going to be looking at chicken, Arctic rolls, strawberries. We're going to see how much money they cost, looking at some real coins, and then buying some things. So, are you good at money? Let's see. Okay, before we get started, because this is actually a maths meeting today, we are going to sing some songs. So sit up straight, get yourself comfortable. I'm going to start with our maths meeting song. Are you ready? Maths meeting, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Maths meeting, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Yes, they are. Now, do you know which month of the year it is at the moment? That's right, we are in May. So this time we're going to try and sing our months of the year without saying May. Let's go. January, February, March and April. June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Yes, they are. Fantastic, guys. And now we're going to do our 2s, 5s and 10s. And I think you're going to be really good at them now. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Fantastic. Okay, we are now ready to do our session on money. And to start with, we're going to look at recognising coins. And I'm going to start with the lowest amount of money first. So I'm going to have to put this really close to you so you can see it. Do you know what this coin is? This coin is 1 penny. 1 penny. And this coin is 2 pennies. So we have 1 penny, 2 pennies. Let's go on to the next coin to recognise. And let's look at this tiny silver coin. And this coin is 5p. Okay, our next coin. Do you think you can recognise this coin? This silver coin, a little bit bigger than the 5p coin. This is 10p, so this is double the amount of money than this one. Okay, and this one, let's just count how many sides this one has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides. So this is a heptagon, and it is 20p. 20p. So double 10. And here we have one of the largest size coins, and it's silver, and this one is 50p. Can you say that? 50p. And finally, I have this. This is worth 100 pennies. 100 pennies! And it is called £1. £1. Now, there is a coin called a £2, but I don't have it at my house. I wonder if you have a £2 coin at your house that you could look for. It looks similar to the £1 coin, but it is bigger and it is worth double the amount of money. Now, I've also found some notes. This note here is worth £5. This one is £10. And this is a lot of money. This is £20. I wonder if you've ever seen this note before. This is a lot of money. Okay, so if I was going to a shop today and I'm looking at what I can buy, it says I can buy bread for £1.10. How much is my chicken? £1.50. Oh, that's expensive, isn't it? I wonder if I've got enough money. Oh, hang on a minute. These strawberries are even more expensive. How much are these strawberries? £2.10. We've got some lemonade. How much is the lemonade? 55p. We've got some tomatoes. How much are the tomatoes? 40p. And, oh, yummy, some dessert. We've got an Arctic roll. And how much is the Arctic roll? 72p. Okay, I'd like you to get your piece of paper and a pencil now, or your whiteboard and pen. And we are going to find out which bits of money, which coins or notes we might need in order to pay. So let's start with the lemonade. So could you write down 55p on your piece of paper? Now, I want you to think about which coins you would need to pay for something that costs 55p. You could pay for it with 2 coins. See if you can have a think. Think about your 10s and 1s. 55p. Okay, so the first coin I would need is a 50p pence. And the second coin I would need is a 5p. So I'm going to write that down. So to pay, I would need 50p and 5p. Okay, for my next item, I want you to have a go at which coins you might need before I tell you. Okay, so this time we're going to look at the tomatoes, which cost 40p. So write down tomatoes, or just 40p. And this P sign is the sign for pence. So when we're using money, we always need to write pounds or pence. And because this is 40 pence, I just need to put the P sign here for pence. So which coins would I need for 40 pence? Okay, there's 2 different ways you could do it. You could have 4 10p's. 10, 20, 30, 40. Or for the less amount of coins, the smallest amount of coins, you could have 2 20p's. 20, 40. So I'm going to put 20p and 20p. Or underneath, I'm going to put another one, 10p, add 10p, add 10p, add 10p. 20 add 20 equals 40. 10 add 10 add 10 add 10 equals 40. Am I right? Yes. Okay. You're doing a really good job. So give me a big smile and let's carry on. Okay. What should I buy at my shop now? Bim, 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 bim. Oh, I think I'll buy a loaf of bread. It's not real. It's just plastic. And my loaf of bread costs £1.10p, and that's the pound sign. It's quite tricky to draw a pound sign. So have a go on your board. So do your pound sign like this, and you're going to write £1.10p. Now I need 2 coins to pay for something that costs £1 10p. Now, when I say it, I'm giving you a clue. Listen, £1 10p. What's the 2 coins I need? That's right, £1 and 10p. And that would buy me the loaf of bread. So I'm going to write £1, and this is how I would write £1. Add 10p. Fantastic. Now, if you've got to the end of your board like I have, you might need to rub it. And then we're going to look at 3 more things to buy. So let's think. Ooh, I don't know if I showed you this one. I would like to buy some lettuce. How much does my lettuce cost? 15 pence. So let's write that down. Which coins would I need to buy a lettuce for 15 pence? I would need a 10 pence and a 5 pence. 10 pence plus 5 pence. Okay, the next 2 I'm going to write on the board, and I want you to try and do without me telling you. So I'm going to buy Arctic roll, which is 72 pence. See if you can have a go at that. And I'm going to buy chicken, which is £1.50. See if you can work out which coins I'd need to pay for something that was 72 pence and £1.50. Press pause if you want a bit of time to work that out. Okay, right, so for 72 pence, I would need a 50p coin, add a 20p, and 50 add 20 makes 70. I'll show you how. If I was to draw a number line and put 50 here, now I'm going to jump 10 to make 60, then I'm going to jump another 10 to make 70, and that's adding 2 10s, which equals 20. So I would need a 50p. I'm gonna have to rub this out. Add 20p. Is that everything? 50 add 20 is 70. Is that what I need? No, I need more. 70 add 2p. Well done if you got that right, because it's really tricky. And the final one is £1.50 for my chicken. So I need 2 coins, £1.50. So I need a £1 coin and a 50p coin, and that's it. So let's write that down. £1 plus 50p, which equals £1.50. Now, I thought it would be a good idea, if you want to carry on doing this game, at home you could get some items from around your kitchen, maybe a tin of beans, some bread, some milk, and you could get some pieces of paper and label them. So write what it's called and how much you think it costs. And then you could try and work out which coins you'd need to buy items around your house. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll see you all soon.